unveiling the future of investing. AI and value investing, a match made in financial heaven. Imagine this, combining the power of AI with value investing. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's here now. AI can sift through mountains of data in seconds, spotting patterns and trends we might miss. From financial statements to social media buzz, it's like having a super smart, tireless assistant. And here's the kicker. We can turn these insights into engaging YouTube shorts, making finance fun and accessible. Yes, you heard that right. Monetizing investments through bite-sized videos. It's a win-win. AI helps us find undervalued stocks, predict market trends, and avoid risky bets. Picture making smarter decisions without the emotional rollercoaster, thanks to AI. The potential for profit is huge. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your investing strategy with AI, hit that subscribe button. Let's make money and have fun doing it. Share your thoughts below. I'm curious about your AI investing adventures and experiences. Welcome back. We're thrilled to have you here again. Now that we've explored the incredible synergy between AI and value investing, it's time to take things a step further. Today, we're going to dig deeper into how we can transform these insights into monetizable YouTube Shorts, a platform that's rapidly growing in popularity. Join me as I take on the challenge of using the new AI for value investing to create monetizable YouTube Shorts through prompt engineering. This is an exciting journey that combines technology and finance in a unique way. Are you interested in making money through value investing with AI? If so, you're in the right place. I'm excited to share with you a new approach that can potentially generate passive income through YouTube Shorts. This method leverages the power of AI to create engaging and informative content. The idea of using AI for value investing is not new, but the potential of monetizing it through YouTube Shorts is a game changer. This opens up new avenues for both content creators and investors. By leveraging AI's capabilities in data analysis and decision-making, we can uncover hidden gems in the investment world and create engaging content for our audience. This is a powerful combination that can lead to significant financial gains. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately is unparalleled. This allows us to make more informed investment decisions and create content that resonates with viewers. We can uncover hidden gems in the investment world and create engaging content for our audience. This dual approach not only enhances our investment strategy, but also our content creation process. As value investors, we're constantly faced with the challenge of analyzing large amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making informed decisions. This is where AI can make a significant difference. It's a daunting task, especially when dealing with complex financial statements, industry trends, and market fluctuations. The sheer volume of data can be overwhelming. The amount of data is overwhelming, and it's easy to get lost in the noise. This is a common challenge for many investors. Moreover, the speed at which data is generated is breathtaking. News, earnings reports, and social media updates are constant, making it difficult to keep up with the pace. News, earnings reports, and social media updates are constant, making it difficult to keep up with the pace. This is where AI's real-time processing capabilities come into play. Human analysis is prone to bias, and even the most skilled investors can miss crucial details. This is a significant limitation that AI can help overcome. Furthermore, the complexity of financial data requires a deep understanding of accounting principles, industry trends, and market dynamics. This is a tall order, even for experienced investors. It's a tall order, even for experienced investors. The need for precision and accuracy is paramount. The sheer volume of data and the need for precision make it a Herculean task. This is where AI can provide a significant advantage. In addition, the emotional aspect of investing cannot be ignored. Emotions can cloud our judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. Fear, greed, and emotional biases can cloud our judgment, leading to impulsive decisions. AI, on the other hand, processes data objectively. We need a system that can process data objectively, without emotional interference. This is where AI excels. This is where new AI technology comes in, processing data faster and more accurately than humanly possible. This allows us to make more informed decisions. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and natural language processing, we can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to detect. This is a game changer for investors. AI can process financial statements, news articles, social media posts, and industry reports simultaneously, providing a comprehensive view of the market. This holistic approach is invaluable. It can identify anomalies, detect sentiment shifts, and provide actionable insights, all at an unprecedented scale and speed. This level of analysis is transformative. The breakthrough moment comes when AI provides valuable insights for making investment decisions. This is where the true potential of AI is realized. Imagine having a system that can identify undervalued stocks, predict market trends, and detect hidden risks, all in a matter of seconds. This is the power of AI. The potential for generating alpha is enormous. This is a significant advantage for investors. With AI, we can create a pipeline of investable ideas, each backed by data-driven insights. This ensures that our investment decisions are well-informed and strategic. We can identify opportunities that others may have missed and capitalize on them before the market corrects. This is a significant advantage. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for profit is substantial. This is an exciting time for investors. In summary, using AI for value investing can revolutionize the way we approach the markets. This is a transformative approach that can lead to significant financial gains. By leveraging AI's capabilities, we can create a more efficient, accurate, and profitable investment strategy. This is a significant advantage for investors. And by monetizing this approach through YouTube Shorts, we can generate passive income and build a loyal audience. This is a powerful combination. If you're as excited as I am about the potential of AI in value investing, be sure to subscribe for more videos on this topic. This is just the beginning. Share your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to hear your ideas and experiences with AI in investing. Let's continue this conversation and explore the future of investing together.